dual guide rails, parallel efficiency. Isong new CutFit Pro rubber installing machine with EasyLink system features an innovative dual working stations. Both stations are integrated with cutting and picking modules, capable of processing 1 or 2 die boards simultaneously. 3 intelligent modes for ultimate control. Supports 3 operation modes: independent, alternating, and simultaneous. The dual stations collaborate intelligently to minimize cutting wait time, gaining massive efficiency. It also enables sequential production. While pasting rubber on the current die, the cutting unit pre-cuts rubber strips for the next die, eliminating idle time and ensuring a seamless, continuous workflow. Core modules, dual empowerment. Equipped with the Easy Pick module for picking larger, more complex rubber strips. Standard with the Easy Apply module, no manual gluing, one-step application. Fully integrated, supporting both straight and irregular strips, reducing material waste on large dies while achieving a higher completion rate. Dual stations, time overlap. With parallel intelligence, sequential production bridges the gap between processes, redefining the true meaning of high-speed efficiency. Isong Dual Station CutFit Pro Die Rubber Installing Machine. Parallel processing, sequential efficiency.